Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. They stop hit it 9:46. So I was in this trade 40 minutes. I believe it's 40 minutes. Yes. So let's recap. So I explained why I went bullish. I chose to trade Nvidia today. This is a 1 minute chart. So the red lines are, this red line is the low of yesterday, or the high of yesterday, and this is the high someday back then. So the reason I went bullish is because it broke the high, came retest, reject, touch, reject, formed this wedge flag pattern here. So it broke, I entered here, my target was here, the stopper was here, and just it didn't work out. So this is the trade for today. I took the trade because it met my criteria, manage risk correctly, and exit where my plan said to. The market just didn't give me a follow through, and I accept without fighting it. Today wasn't about being right, it was about being consistent. I will review this later and show up tomorrow with the same rules. And always remember, process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.